Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today we are making a casserole. Not just any ordinary casserole, we're making a hamburger and spinach casserole. Originally, I'm like, ooh, that doesn't sound too good, but trust me, it is delicious. So hang out, kick back, relax, I'll get to cooking. Alright y'all, start this out here. I want to take our burger and we need to add a little EVOO. That's extra virgin olive oil for all y'all. Just a little bit. So then we'll take our 1 pound of hamburger, throw it in there. Get us a spatula device. Turn the heat down just a little bit. So, alright, got that in there. I'll grab a lid, I'll cover it up, I'll start browning that, and then we'll proceed with adding the rest of the ingredients. Alright y'all, got this beef browning up here. We got 1 medium onion chopped, so we're going to add that. And then we need about a tablespoon of garlic, a little more if you like garlic. I like garlic, so we're going to add more. We're actually going to empty my little bottle here out, so alright, there's that. Flip this over because this is frozen beef, so see if we can scrape some more of that off there. Oh yeah, yep, working out nice. Oh yeah, we can chop the rest of that up. Alright, alright, I'll throw the lid back on here, continue browning it up. Once it's all done, we'll move on to the next step. Alright y'all, our hamburger's all nice and brown. The onions are nice and softened up. So now we need to take this out of the pan and drain the grease off, because you don't want it greasy. It is not easy being greasy. So, alright. Alright, disregard that grease, get rid of it. Now to the hot pan, we're going to add our mushrooms. Get that all, get that hamburger all nice and drained. Alright, toss that back in our pan there. We added our mushrooms. Now, the original recipe calls for a teaspoon of oregano. I prefer to use the Italian seasoning. It just, I think it has a better flavor. You know, there's oregano in it. There's also some other stuff. So, alright. Got that in there. We're going to do a couple shakes of black pepper. I like coarse ground black pepper. We're going to do a little bit of pink Himalayan salt. A little bit of that. And a few shakes of the old Frank's Red Hot sauce. So you can go as hot or as mild as you want. I like mine just a little bit on the spicy side. So get that all mixed up and around. Them mushrooms all coated in there and mixed in there. Get everything coated in that seasonings. Alright. Alright. I'm going to throw the lid back on. The mushrooms get warmed up about 5 minutes. So bring you back when you cut to the next step. Alright, y'all. Got that all heated up. Now, here comes the spinach. Get that spinach in there. And you want to drain your spinach just as frozen. Works really great. You want to drain your spinach. Now we're adding a cup of sour cream. And for the keto friendly part, you have to use the whole. You can't use the reduced fat sour cream. Got to use the whole one because there's more protein in this. So, alright, then this is a can of cream of celery soup. The condensed soup mix, or not mix, but can of condensed soup. Get that in here. Get everything out of the can that we can. Can. I'm a poet and didn't know it. Alright. Now, let's get that all mixed up in there. Now you're just going to leave it on the stove long enough to get her warmed up. You know, just so that everything will. You got to get the soup and everything warm so that it'll all meld together, I guess you'd call it. Mix together. Get all the flavors, all yumminess. And before we started this whole ordeal, I preheated my oven to 350 degrees because we got to bake this for about 20 minutes, something like that. So, uncovered. Alright, that looks pretty mixed to me. When it starts bubbling, then we'll take it out of there and put it in there. So, hang on. Alright, y'all. I got this all nice and warm and bubbly. We're going to transfer it over in here into our baking dish. If I didn't say so earlier, we're going to top this with some delicious cheese. I'm using an Italian blend. I like that. You can use just mozzarella. You can use any kind of cheese really you want. But that is my cheese of choice today. Is the Italian blend. So kind of get this all schmoozed out, nice and smooth, where it looks pretty for you guys. See if you guys can see over here. Look at that. Nice and pretty. Look at that. I'm an artiste. Alright. Got our cheese here. You can use as much or as little cheese as you want. I like mine cheesy. So, we're going to put a little extra on there. Won't go down easy unless it's cheesy. Alright. Okay. That looks awesomeness. So, I'm going to pop this in the oven, 350 for 20 minutes. Let that cheese get all gooey-ooey, and we'll bring y'all back whenever I'm ready to do the taste test and reveal what we got out of the oven. Alright, y'all. That's cooled down enough for me. So we're going to get a chunk of this stuff out of here. Hopefully. Ooh. Y'all, that looks so delicious. Alright. Let's do our little taste test now. Alright, y'all. It's time for that ever important taste test, so. That is so, so good. I might have another bite because it's so good. I want some of that cheese on top. Come here. That is awesomely good, guys. Now, if you want to change it up a little bit, I have used Italian sausage in it. Oh, it is so awesome that way. It's good with the hamburger, you know. But you know, any way you want to spice it up a little bit, it's great. So, anyways, hope you're all gonna try it. Hope it looked good to you. I'm gonna go eat my dinner. Love y'all, and please hit that live button. Let me hit the live button. Hit the thumbs up button. Come to the live streams every Sunday night, 7 p.m. Hang out with us. We discuss everything: cooking, tractor pulls, you know, whatever anybody else has got going on. We just hang out and have a good time. Really, you know, helps me get to know y'all. So, anyways, hit the thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel. Ring the bell, get all the notifications, everything we do. And, as always, bon appetit.